Hey Travis, thanks for the introduction. Good morning, everybody. It is a happy Monday morning, fresh start of the week. Let's do something fun. I have a quick presentation for you guys this morning. The title of the presentation is Smart Agent Project. I'm just going to go right into it. Is that cool, Travis?
Yep, go for it.
Awesome. The subtitle is How to Get Clients to Think, wow, this agent is leap years ahead of that other agent. That's what we're going to talk about today. And we are going to do this using digital business card. And so, with that being said, who is this guy, anyways? My name is Woo Kim. Hello, everybody. I am the founder of LynkMe Cards. And over my career, I've helped agents do three things: improve your online presence, impress your potential clients, and build your CRM database even if you're not tech savvy. And so I want to start out this presentation with a quick advice that I got from Simon. Simon is a broker in LA with Rodeo Realty in Sherman Oaks. He's been a top producing agent every single year for 30 straight years. And he really made real estate simple for me. And he says, excuse me, he says there are only three things to his real estate business. You have to meet people, get to know them, and make sure people don't forget you. Right. And he further explained that the part where you make sure people don't forget you is the part what we get paid to do. And he said there are only two things to make sure people don't forget you. Number one, we make a good first impression so people remember us for longer. Makes sense. Number two, we have a good follow-up process in place so we stay on top of their mind. And what I want to do today is give you a tool that'll make these two things easier for you guys today. If that sounds good, can I get a yay?
Yay.
Thank
Everybody's
I
on
can't hear
mute.
anybody else.
So,
Yeah, but Travis, thank you. So
yeah.
with that being said, I have a question for everybody. Who here is giving out business cards but feel like most cards get forgotten? I can already see agents nodding their head. Right. So why do you keep handing out paper cards? Well, I was at a broker's preview in Huntington Beach, and I met this lady named Carol. Carol was a brand new escrow officer, and we were having a conversation about business cards, and she was complaining that every single time she comes to these brokers' previews, she comes with a stack of cards this thick. She would pass them out, but she rarely gets any calls. So I asked her, Carol, what are you doing to make sure people actually save your contact in their phone? And her response was, well, I just give them my business card. And I asked her, Carol, how many business cards did you collect today? And she reaches in her purse and pulls out like five cards. And I said, great. Carol, what are you going to do with those five cards you collected? And this is what she told me. She crosses her arms and says, well, I'd probably keep them in my car. And I looked at her like, and you wonder why people aren't saving your card, because everybody does the same thing. You see, paper card, they get forgotten easily. Nine times out of 10, when you pass your paper business card to somebody, they take your card, shove it in their pocket, turn around, and it's gone. It's so easy to forget. There's no guarantee they'll save your contact information. And once you receive a business card back, you have to then look at their card, look at your phone, and manually enter in their information. We all do this, right? And if you have a CRM, you have to upload that same information manually into your CRM. Not very efficient. What if your contact saved directly into their phone every time you connected with them? Huh? Their contact information saved in your phone and automatically went into your CRM database. Talk about a time saver while looking like a savvy modern agent. Would that help you? I believe so. And so that's precisely the reason why I spent 2 years before and after graduating college to making a product to solve this exact problem. And here's what it is.
Hey everybody, Dan Smith coming at you from Anvil Real Estate and wanted to give a shout out to LynkMe.
LynkMe Smart Card.
And their awesome, amazing digital card.
All I do is tap your phone and it drops in my contact information, my name, my company, my whole profile.
They enter their first, last name, their email address, their phone number. They get all my information. Their information goes directly into my CRM. So any business professional who uses this or uses a CRM, by all means, hit this guy up.
The fact that it goes straight to KV Core or a CRM for somebody is magic, because that eliminates a step that a lot of people just fail to do.
It's actually personalized with my company name, lawyer's title. and my name.
He's even added a little spot on there for review me now. So if you want to build up your Zillow reviews or you want to build up your Google reviews if you're in real estate, it is an amazing tool.
I love it. It's like the easiest thing when people ask me for my contact information. I'm not giving them a business card that they'll throw in their pocket and forget about.
We get contact information all the time at open houses and whatnot, and I think it's really important for an agent to schedule that time to make sure it's in the CRM, they're updating data, but to have the card do it for you, that's awesome.
We are big fans.
Thank you, Dan. So, what it is a digital business card made specifically for real estate agents. It comes with the physical tap card, like the video was talking about, that you use to tap on people's phones, and it'll open up your digital profile. The digital profile is what it looks like on the right. You can see that it's an entire digital profile of your real estate business, your social media, your reviews, your website, even your video introduction. But woo, I've seen this technology before. How is this card different than other digital cards? Great question. LynkMe cards connect directly with your CRM of choice. So I was talking to Travis earlier, and it seems like Rise Realty gives you discounted pricing to Sierra Interactive, which is a popular CRM. But we also connect to 60 plus real estate CRM, including Follow Up Boss, Lion Desk, Lofty, so you name it. There are 3 different ways so you can share your digital business card. Number 1, you can use your physical tap card and tap it on the phone, and I'll open up your digital business card. My favorite way is texting my digital business card to anybody that I meet with, or if I'm on a call, I just text my card over to them. Or of course, you can use your QR code, have people scan it, and get your digital business card. Once your prospect is on your digital business card, there's a button, the purple button. Click that button. They enter in their first name, last name, phone number, email address, and 2 things happen. First, your prospect gets your contact information texted to them and emailed to them. So congratulations, now you're in their phone. Second thing that happens is you get their contact information emailed to you, texted to you. And here's the game changer. Their contact automatically updates in your CRM. And Tom Ferry always said the money is in the follow-up. And I think the easiest way to make sure you're following up with every prospect and not forgetting to follow up is by having them in your database. And I want to give you a tool that'll automate that for you. Let's do a quick demo. So Travis, what I'm going to do is I have my digital business card open on my phone. Let's just say I'm an agent and Travis is a potential buyer. I meet Travis, having a conversation, and here's what I'm going to say. Hey, Travis, here, let me send you my digital business card. What's your phone number?
760-470-2752.
2752. I entered his first name, last name, his phone number, and click submit on my phone. Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to get his contact information emailed to me and texted to me. Travis's information is now in my CRM database. I just got his contact texted to me. And Travis gets my contact information texted to him and emailed to him as well. So Travis, if you check your phone, you should have gotten a text with all my information there, all my links, social media, everything. Yeah.
It's true. It happened. Yep.
You can see how fast this happens. And so now I want to give you 2 agent case studies and I'll be done. This is Suzette. She's an agent in Chino Hills. She only does one thing as her lead generation. She's made deals with 4 senior care facilities. Every month, she volunteers to speak about trust and will in front of a group of seniors. When she's done speaking, a group of seniors would walk up to her and ask her for her business card. She would pass them out, and then she would leave. The next month, she would go back there and do the same talk. But she noticed something. She noticed the same group of people were walking up to her and asking for her cards again. The people weren't saving her card. Seniors weren't saving her card. And now she uses her LynkMe card to save her contact in their phone for them, which I think it's cool. This is Mike. Mike is a savage when it comes to prospecting. Every single day, he blocks hour and a half and he just makes cold calls. Once he's successfully made an appointment, this is what he says before hanging up the phone. He says this, Mr. Smith, I'm looking forward to our appointment on Thursday morning. In the meantime, I just texted you my digital business card. So go to your text message, click on my digital business card, and from there, from my card, you can download free resources like First Time Seller Guide, check out my social media, and give my video introduction a look, because that video summarizes what my team and I can do for you to net you top dollar. What he's effectively doing is he's giving his clients and prospects an additional touch point for them to connect with him on a deeper level, which I think it's awesome. So how much does it cost? You get the card, physical card, the digital profile page, unlimited CRM integration for $299 one time. There's no renewal fee, there's no subscription, it's just one-time fee. Unlimited CRM integration means if your CRM changes in the future, you let me know, I'll swap it out for you at no cost. If you want your card to connect to multiple CRMs, that's not a problem. You also get a full 30 days, no questions asked guarantee. The worst case scenario, you try it out for 29 days. Don't like it, write me an email and say, "Woo, you suck." I'll write you a full refund. Here's what else is also included with your card. You get the QR lock screen that looks like this. If you meet a client, you don't have your card, have them scan this QR code, they get your digital business card just like that. For those of you who like to use Zoom calls to meet with prospects, I'm going to make you your virtual meeting background. Hop on a meeting, have people scan the QR code, they get your digital business card. The last QR material that's included is this. This is Travis. He's the #1 agent with First Team in all of Orange County, North Orange County. And the way he leverages his LynkMe card is genius. So I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to make you your open house sign-in sheet with your QR code in the middle. Instead of having pen and paper at your next open house, use this. And here's how Travis uses this, and it's genius. People walk into his open house. He has this open house sign-in sheet set on the counter, kitchen counter. He lets them tour the home, and as they're walking by him, he asks them this six-figure question. The question he asks is this: would you like me to contact you when this home sells? And the reason why he's asking that question is because he's trying to identify active leads. He knows when people say yes to that question, they're an active lead. Once they say yes, this is what he says. Great, scan this QR code, press connect with me and send me your contact information, and I will contact you how much this home sold for. What they don't know is that as soon as they enter in their contact information, their info updates in his CRM. And his CRM starts out an email campaign thanking them for visiting his open house. That is how he leverages his LinkedIn card, and I think that's genius. I think more agents could benefit from using it like that. The last thing that's included is a one-on-one Zoom call with our head of success guy. That's me. And what we're going to do on that call is I'm going to meet with you and completely set up your card done for you. So you don't have to. You don't have to be tech savvy. Done with you, I'll help you set up all your QR marketing materials, like your QR open house sign-in sheet, and I'll show you how to maximize your card and whip it into your real estate business. Last few slides. I said it's $299 one time, and if you go to my website, you will see that it's $150 per year. I like to offer a one-time fee for realtors only because we don't have a salary job. We get paid when we get paid, when we close. So I'd much rather have you guys pay for something one time and use it for the rest of your real estate career. I want to thank you for helping me on this call. So here's what I'm going to do for something special. For those of you, this is for everybody on this Zoom call only. Those of you who like to get a card today, I'm going to take $100 off. So I'll give it to you for $199 one time. No junk fee or renewal fee. And so if you would like to move forward today, you have two options. The first option is scan this QR code with your camera, place your order there, and once you do, you'll get an email to book a call with me. And then we'll go from there. And second way is you can contact Travis or Alicia, and it can go from there as well. But the easiest way is by scanning this QR code and getting your card there. Do we have any questions? I know I can hear the agents here, but Travis, do you have any questions?
I don't have any questions, but I'll probably sign up and get one because I pretty much just don't carry business cards anymore. So
Manny, thank you. Joe had a question I see. What CRMs will it accept? There are dozens of CRMs. We connect to 60 plus CRMs. So if it's a CRM that's been out in the market for, let's say, more than 6 months, chances are we connect to it. Just to name a few of the popular CRM, the most popular CRMs among the agents are Follow Up Boss, Lofty, Sierra Interactive, and there's also KV Core. There's Chime. I think Chime is now Lofty. There's also Real Geeks, Top Producer, Elevated CRM. What else? Google Sheet is also a popular one. MailChimp. I can't remember all the names. KW Command, which is the least expensive CRM. I would recommend Follow Up Boss just because that is the most popular. I think it's like 30, 40 bucks a month. But I don't know what the pricing situation is with Rise Realty with Sierra Interactive, so I'll check how much that is.
Yeah.
But if you want something for free, you can use Google Sheet. Google Sheet does just fine as a database. And so, yeah, Google Sheet is fine. We also connect to Google Sheet. So I hope that answers your question, David. Joe says, how about Monday? Keep HubSpot. Yeah, so I actually use HubSpot myself. So my CRM is HubSpot. We connect to HubSpot. Monday.com, we also connect to Zoho. Zoho is also another popular one. That's one with the circles as their logo. Honeybee and Hive, we also connect to. Well, you know a bunch of CRMs. Yes, we connect to all of them that you mentioned, Joe.
Cool.
Any other questions before I hop off?
Oh. Doesn't look
Alright,
like
doesn't sound like it.
Yeah, so awesome. Great presentation, great product. Thanks for coming on, and I'm sure we'll be in touch. So,
Thank you, Travis. I hope you
All
guys
right.
have an awesome rest of the week.
all right, we'll see you.